Are you wondering how to integrate TeamGate CRM with Slack to streamline your team's communication and collaboration? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up that integration while also giving you a quick overview of TeamGate CRM itself and some alternatives that could work better for your needs. Stick around until the end, because I've got an exclusive free trial offer that you won't want to miss. First thing to note, TeamGate CRM is a sales-focused tool designed to help businesses manage their leads, contacts, and pipelines efficiently. It's a solid choice for smaller teams looking for an affordable and simple CRM solution. The platform's clean interface allows you to track customer interactions and forecast sales more effectively. But let's be real, it may not be as feature-packed as some of its competitors. Still, its simplicity and low cost make it attractive to smaller businesses. Next thing, let's dive into integrating TeamGate CRM with Slack. Why do you need this integration? Slack is a popular communication tool, and by connecting it with TeamGate, you can get real-time updates on sales activities and customer interactions directly in Slack channels. For example, you'll be notified whenever there's a new lead or an update in your sales pipeline. This helps ensure your team stays on top of things without having to constantly log into TeamGate. So, how do you set it up? It's actually quite straightforward. First, head to TeamGate's integration page, where you'll find Slack listed as one of the available options. You'll need to grant TeamGate permission to access your Slack workspace. From there, select which Slack channels you'd like to receive notifications in. You can customize it based on your needs. Maybe you want notifications for every new lead, or just when deals are closed. Once that's done, you're all set. TeamGate will now send updates directly to Slack, keeping your team informed without interrupting their workflow. The fourth thing to consider is that while TeamGate's integration with Slack is good, it's not perfect. For example, you can only get basic notifications, and you don't have the full suite of automation and workflow capabilities that other CRMs with Slack integrations might offer. So if you need a more in-depth, automated solution, you might run into some limitations with TeamGate. Now, if you're looking for more advanced features in your CRM and Slack integration, there are some alternatives worth considering. One of the best options is HubSpot CRM. HubSpot offers a more robust Slack integration, allowing you to automate certain tasks, send more customized notifications, and even track conversations across platforms. While HubSpot CRM is free for small businesses, it can get expensive as you scale, so you'll need to weigh your options based on your team size and needs. Another strong contender is Salesforce, which also integrates seamlessly with Slack. Salesforce offers in-depth reporting and advanced automation tools, so if you need detailed insights into your sales pipeline and performance metrics, it's definitely worth considering. However, like HubSpot, Salesforce can get quite pricey, especially for smaller businesses or startups. If you're only looking for a CRM to manage your leads and simple sales pipeline and don't need all the bells and whistles, Pipedrive is another great alternative. Pipedrive also integrates with Slack and provides a more user-friendly interface compared to Salesforce or HubSpot, making it a great choice for teams that don't need complex features but still want efficient sales tracking. The fifth and final thing to mention is that no matter which CRM you choose, getting the right integration with Slack can significantly improve your team's productivity. But if you want a CRM that's more customizable, offers advanced features, and is designed for growth, you may want to explore some of these alternatives. As promised, if you're interested in TeamGate CRM, I've got an exclusive extended free trial just for you, but I'd also recommend checking out those other options for a better fit with your goals. All of these platforms offer free trials, so you can explore them without committing right away. And through the link in the description, you'll get the best deals, exclusive benefits, and a free trial that you won't find elsewhere. Thanks for watching.